consumer court in Nagpur has held Axis Bank responsible for a deficiency in service in a case involving a failed ATM withdrawal. The District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission has ordered the bank to refund 5,000 rupees to the customer and pay 10,000 rupees as compensation. The case goes back to August 2018 when a Nagpur resident attempted to withdraw 5,000 rupees from an Axis Bank ATM. The customer said the amount was debited from his account, but the machine did not dispense any cash. Despite several complaints and follow-ups with the bank, the issue remained unsolved. The bank reportedly maintained that the transaction had been successful and later closed the complaint. The customer then approached the Consumer Commission claiming mental and physical harassment. During the hearing, the Commission noted that the bank failed to conduct a proper inquiry and did not present evidence such as CCTV verification of the ATM transaction. It also observed that the bank did not appear before the Commission even after receiving legal notice. Calling the lapse serious, the Commission ruled that the bank's actions amounted to deficiency in service and directed it to refund the money along with compensation.